Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin now, gather a medium claw and a tail comb, then part where your layers fall. Separate a top crown section from ear to ear and lift it. This creates the weight you need. Once done, smooth the front layers so they align with the crown and remove tangles. This prevents short pieces from poking out. Make sure to hold the lifted section at your preferred height. That controls the final silhouette and how many layers will tuck into the clip. Now you'll create the hold. Twist the section once or twice depending on the volume you want, then fold toward your scalp to form a base. Place the claw teeth against the scalp at the center of that fold so the pressure grips both hair and base. Tuck shorter layers into the middle of the clip first and wrap longer pieces around the outside. This prevents short pieces from escaping and distributes weight evenly for comfortable, all-day wear. Finish by checking balance and visible edges. Pull a few face framing layers forward to soften the look, then tilt your head to ensure the clip feels stable. If pieces stick out, tuck them under the clip and add 1-2 bobby pins discreetly where needed. That hides short layers. Once balanced, make tiny adjustments. Loosen and reseat the claw until comfortable, because small shifts change tension. If it still slips, texturize the roots or switch to a smaller claw for stronger grip.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.